Chanda,
Yes.
I saw lots of comments, people asking that is it possible, like for an African man to get married to a Pakistan girl or to an Indian girl?
All right. Yes, it's very possible, but it's not really easy. So how should I say them in Shona? It's not really easy.
Hazvisi Nyore.
Hazvisi Nyore.
Yes, good job, Hazvisi Nyore.
Hazvisi Nyore. So it's possible, but Hazvisi Nyore. Like in our case, it took me almost 2 years to accept Pastor Carlton proposal, and to my family also. When I introduced Pastor Carlton to them also, it took 1.5 years to accept him. So once they accept, they loved him with all their heart. Actually, our first wedding, it was in Pakistan, and then we had in Zimbabwe also.
I think you have heard from Pastor Sidra that it's possible, but it's not easy. So the most important thing is God in it. That's the most important
Yes.
question.